Today, I'm going to be talking about Expensify. I've been using Expensify for a while now, and I've found it to be a really helpful tool for managing my expenses. But is it really accounting software? That's what we're going to find out in this video. Expensify is a cloud-based expense management platform. It helps you to track your expenses, submit expense reports, and get reimbursed. Expensify also integrates with a number of other accounting software programs, making it easy to keep your finances in one place. Is Expensify accounting software? No, Expensify is not accounting software. It is an expense management platform. Accounting software is used to track your company's financial transactions, including income, expenses, and assets. Expensify can help you to track your expenses, but it doesn't provide the full functionality of accounting software. What are the benefits of using Expensify? There are a number of benefits to using Expensify, including easy to use. Expensify is very easy to use. You can simply take a picture of your receipt and upload it to the app. Expensify will then automatically extract the relevant information, such as the date, amount, and vendor. Mobile-friendly, Expensify is available as a mobile app, so you can track your expenses on the go. Integrates with other software. Expensify integrates with a number of other accounting software programs, making it easy to keep your finances in one place. Affordable. Expensify is a very affordable solution for small businesses and individuals. What are the drawbacks of using Expensify? There are also a few drawbacks to using Expensify, including limited functionality. Expensify doesn't provide the full functionality of accounting software. Not suitable for large businesses. Expensify may not be suitable for large businesses with complex accounting needs. Customer support. Expensify's customer support can be slow at times. So, is Expensify an accounting software? No, it is not. However, it is a very helpful tool for managing your expenses. If you're looking for an easy-to-use and affordable way to track your expenses, Expensify is a great option. With that said, thanks for watching.